How to create poll in WhatsApp. So to start, we'll have to open our WhatsApp account, and then in here we'll have to open a group chat. So in here on our group chat, to create a poll, at the bottom you will see this attachment option. Simply tap on this one. After that, you will be given a lot of options. In here, tap on the poll option. After that, we can now create and edit our poll. First, you'll have to ask a question. So as an example, I'm gonna type here, what do you want for dinner? And then after that, you can now add the options. In here, as an example, I'm gonna add fried chicken. And then the other option should be fish fillet. And then if you want to add more options, simply tap on the add option at the bottom. Once you're done, under that, you will see this allow multiple answer. If you want the members of the group chat to answer more than one, simply enable this option, allow multiple answers. But as for me, I'm just gonna simply disable this one. After that, simply tap on the send option. And as you can see, the poll is automatically sent here on the group chat. After that, you can now vote here on the poll. If you want to view the votes, simply tap on the view votes option. And then after that, it will automatically show you all the results. So that's how easy we can create poll in WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and then the notification bell so you won't miss any of our future videos. See you on the next one.